The headphone choice of many DJs and artists, the Beats Executive headphones offer all depths of bass enjoyment. The stylish, sleek body, surprisingly comfortable ear cups and noise isolation features make these some of the best bass headphones. The best bass headphones have an over-ear closed design, as well as high power, high sensitivity, low impedance, a wide frequency range, and large drivers. However, Beats by Dre doesn't release the specification information for many of their headphones, so it's difficult to compare the headphones quantitatively. The Executives have an over-ear closed design, and a 40mm driver. The overall design helps isolate sound, which is beneficial in bass headphones. Because it's smaller than many other drivers, the 40mm size doesn't provide the bass sound quality that other models do. In my experience with these bass headphones, though, the low bass booms with incredible sound quality. These bass headphones are indeed made for bass even if Beats by Dre won't release all the specs. The Beats Executive headphones offer active and passive noise cancellation. 2 AAA batteries are included to power the silence, but when they run out of juice, you can continue listening with passive noise cancellation. Although both ways provide quiet sound environments, the active setting especially gives extra power for solid bass headphones. This set comes with all the standard control features, including inline remote and mic, all Apple compatible, of course. A hard carrying case and cleaning cloth are also provided for all your traveling needs. For well-designed bass headphones, the Executives are heavy. All 12 ounces of luxurious leather do deliver deafening bass, but it definitely weighs you down in the process. The headphones, equivalent to the weight of almost 3 rolls of pennies, do fold for easy storage, so that's a plus. Despite their weight, the Executives are surprisingly comfortable. The weight seems to hold the headphones in place, and the ear cushions are incredibly soft. Also, the outer silver and black design is sleek, understated and exudes a modern flair. The Beats by Dre support network has a wide array of service options for headphones. A 1-year warranty protects your headphones from material or product defects. Have a question? Beats makes it easy for you to reach them by phone or email. You can even send a tweet on Twitter for a fast response. FAQs and downloadable materials are also available on the Beats website for easy access. Listen to your bass hits, and crank the volume for that rib-hammering signature bass sound with the Beats Executive headphones. Less flamboyant than other Beats by Dre headphones, the Executives produce all the best sounds of low bass, keeping your music in and outside noise out with the flip of a noise isolating switch. The Beats Executive headphones are a great set of headphones with good bass,